Mercedes-Benz of South Atlanta is pleased to announce that we offer free airport parking while we service your Mercedes-Benz. Now you can park in the most convenient location, closest to the terminal, and our reserved parking spots exclusive to our Mercedes-Benz customers. When you arrive at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, go towards Terminal North. Simply take your ticket and drive to the covered North Hourly parking lot. Then, park in any one of our exclusive reserved parking spots closest to the North Terminal. Fill out one of the envelopes provided, place your keys in the envelope, and drop it into our key envelope drop box. Now, you're on your way. While you're away, one of our factory-trained technicians will service your vehicle. Mercedes-Benz of South Atlanta Service Department is committed to serving you with an unsurpassed standard of excellence. Your vehicle is in good hands, and after your service has been completed, your vehicle will be washed and ready for you to pick up. When your flight returns, your vehicle will be where you left it. Simply go to the Service Express 24 and enter your personal code to retrieve your keys. Your service statement will be ready for you and your vehicle. Free airport parking while we service your Mercedes-Benz is just one of the many benefits of concierge service from Mercedes-Benz of South Atlanta. Simply click on the button and fill out the form. Our service team will contact you to schedule your reservation. Save time and save money. Welcome to the first class family and our concierge service.